Right, boys, let's lock in. When I first started being an entrepreneur, I was 17 years old. I couldn't get a job anywhere. And I remember being that broke kid watching all these people online, all managing to do something that I can't do. So I started asking people, trying to figure it out for myself. And because I was a young kid, I had all the time. I had all the time. And when you're a little bit naive, you end up trying a lot more things than you would later down the line. And look, I know what it feels like to watch all this content. Everyone's making 10 grand a month, 50k a month, 100k a month, millions, whatever. But there's no content around just getting that first $1,000. Now, $1,000 isn't going to change your life. That amount of money on its own. But what it does is it gives you a little bit of belief. Once you first see that first bit of money that you've made online, it gives you a belief that it's real. I'm trying to get you to the point where you can make that first bit of money online where you know it's legit and you know it's real. Let me tell you, the first time I realized that you could make more money than a job as being an entrepreneur. Look, I sort of fell into entrepreneurship by accident. I always had entrepreneurial tendencies as a kid, whatever. But I had a trade show, and this was actually in person. This wasn't making money online, by the way. But anyway, I had a trade show and I was flipping trainers, right? This was my first event I'd ever been to. No, sorry, this was my second event. And I'd been following these principles. I'd made my first little bit of money online. I kept buying stock. I was really hungry, trying to make money all the time. I was doing all types of hustles. I had an £800 silver Citroen van. And that van, I put 50,000 miles on in my first year of driving. That's how much I was hustling. Like, if you drive, you know that's a lot of miles, right? On this little £700 van, I was driving around all the time, making money, doing hustles, doing this, doing that, trying everything I could to make some money. Then I went to this trade show. I think I paid around 50 quid for the table, £50. I took all my stock, clothes that I got from outlets and stuff that I'd bought online to resell. And at the show, I did £2,700 in a day. Now, some people watching this will think, well, £2,700 in a day is nothing. Some people will be thinking £2,700 in a day is great. And look, something about that £2,700, I didn't even work out how much profit I made. I might not even been profitable. I might have made 500 quid. I might have made £1,000, whatever. But what I'm trying to tell you is, that's what unlocked something in my mind. And from that, I went and did the same show the next year, and then I made 10 grand. And then I went and did another show the year after, and I did 17 grand in a day, which was one of my biggest days ever. That's the importance of getting that first win. And look, you can't skip the first steps. You've got to pay your dues. But once you get that first win and once you get that taste, you will start searching for it and your mind will expand. Look, these are things that I've done myself. 2 of them I've done myself, and 2 of them are things that I've needed as a business owner. If you're a young guy and you're just wanting a little bit of money, a little bit of extra money, or you want to see that it's real, if you follow these, you will get your $1,000 together in no time. Then you will enter the next level. It's all about step 1, right? We don't want to be focusing on 10, 20, 30, 50 grand a month. We want to just be focusing on getting that first little bit of money together. And the thing is about this process, you can repeat it multiple times. That's what I did. So by far the fastest and best way to get to that first $1,000 together is through Flip Life. Now, you might be thinking, well, if I'm flipping stuff, then that's not making money online. Well, if you sell stuff on eBay or Vinted or Depop or whatever secondary platform or Facebook Marketplace, that is making money online. You are selling something online. You are making money while you sleep. So that is making money online. Don't think it has to be all this fancy stuff. You don't need your own website to make money online. If you're selling on eBay, you are making money online. The reason why making money online is so good is because the reach and the times that you're open. So you can sell to a larger area and you can be open 24 hours a day. You don't have to be your own website to be classed as making money online. If you're selling through Facebook, you're making money online. So Flip Life, what do I mean by Flip Life? Well, buying and selling. What do we buy and sell? Well, what I did was I started going to outlets. And I was also doing all types of flips. I was selling anything I could get my hands on. And you can start doing this. If you've got a discount store, TK Maxx, TJ Maxx, Nike outlets, Adidas clearance stores, Nike clearance stores, New Balance, trainers, clothing. And even in Mansfield in the UK, you can get designer clothing, return stuff from Flannels, which is designer brands, Palm Angel, Stone Island, CP Company, these type of things. That's what I used to do. And I used to make a lot of money doing this. Now, you do need a little bit of money to start with this, but you don't need a lot of money to get involved. You can take £50, £100, $100, whatever, buy 1 item, 2 items, sell it, Then you use the profit. This is the important part. This is where people go wrong. Don't buy something, sell it, and then go spend the money. Yeah, you buy more stock with it. This is what you've got to do. You buy more stock. Because when you buy more stock, you're doubling up, you're flipping. That's flip life. What else can you sell? Well, you can go to car boot sales, garage sales, go buy people's old stuff. If there's people that you know that are selling stuff, you can go do that. Go and buy stuff, put it on eBay, put it on Vinted, put it on Depop, put it on Facebook Marketplace, wherever you can, Gumtree, whatever. There's so many places you can sell stuff. Now, how do you know if something's worth selling? Go on eBay, search the item, check how much it's sold for. If you can get it cheaper than what it sells for, then you've made money. And don't be commenting, what about shipping? Charge them for shipping, bro. Yeah, there's money in it. If you can focus on this and keep investing your money back in. And the thing is, what this does is, it keeps your money in working. So if you're just saving money, if you've just got $1,000 sat there, that $1,000 in your bank account is not going to do anything. But when you've got $1,000 in stock, that's always selling and always making money. And if it's on eBay, then it's selling 24 hours a day. That's making money online. That's a business right there. Don't sleep on this. Yeah, do not sleep on this. I started with £200 and made over £1.5 million with my business from doing this. That's why it's number one, at the top of the list. I did this, started with £200 and turned it into 1.5 million in sales, yeah? This works. And look, that's only the website sales. I was doing this for a long, long time. A long, long time. I did much more than that in sales, but a long, long time. Look, Flip Life. Anybody can do it if you put the work in. Go and start testing things. Try stuff out. Buy it, sell it. And look, if you buy from a retailer, you can return the items. It's zero risk. If you buy from individuals, it's more risk, but they tend to be cheaper. But just, if you use Flip Life, start selling online, boom, you're making money online. You're going to get to that in no time. Easy work. Now, number two, we've got community IG page management. Now, what I was looking for when I was running my own business, I was very busy, man. I didn't have the team as big enough as I wanted it to be. I was dealing with a lot of customers through the Instagram page for a certain amount of time. I didn't have a community, but I know a lot of businesses do, especially online communities. You can get paid as a Discord monitor or handling a business's Instagram page. Now, if you actually do this, you're taking a lot of the time away from a business. Now, for me, as a business owner in the UK, if I was to go and hire somebody to work full-time for me or part-time, minimum wage is £11 an hour, right? If you're hiring someone full-time to do these things, that's costing them £1,000 a month. If you can come in there, work remotely, and as long as you're taking care of the job, it doesn't matter how many hours you're doing, and you charge £200 a month, £500 a month for some part-time work, and you've got excellent customer service, and you're talking to customers and generating more sales, and the business owner can see that, then you can charge a business £200, £500 for this. Now, how would you get into contact with somebody? Well, look, make your Instagram page look presentable. Don't be looking with these party photos and that you go out all the time and your mate's drunk on it and throwing... No. Just get professional. Make yourself look professional. Smile. Change your profile picture to a good photo. Public account. Directly comment or message people. Message the business owners. Go on LinkedIn. Find their email address. And just say, hi, be interested in me handling customers' queries on Instagram. £200 a month, whatever. Or same with the community, do you need anyone? What you want to do is, if you want to get someone to see your message, I used to do this, I would warm people up all the time. So if I wanted to get into contact with somebody, business owners read their Instagram comments, okay? So if they post a picture, if it's a dog groomer, and they're posting pictures of the dog's haircuts every time, just comment on it. Oh, that dog looks lovely with that trim, or I love that type of dog. Just comment positive comments that you've actually thought about for a couple of weeks, get them warmed up, get them receptive, because when you message them with your outreach, offering your service, you're going to be then able to be seen in a better light because you've been positive and they've seen your name a couple of times and you've sort of getting that third, fourth, fifth impression before you've even messaged them. Now, why not go offer a small business this for free for a month? You can offer free for 30 days or for 2 weeks. Now, guys, for me, this one's going to take a little bit longer than Flip Life. right? But it's better margins because you're just getting paid for your services. You could scale it, and you could even outsource customer service agents from Indonesia or wherever. But if you start adding the price up and you want people to pay you a decent amount, really you need a bit of a landing page. But you can just learn how to build a landing page and have a website with your offer. Get crystal clear on your offer, what you're doing for businesses. Work for free. Offer businesses that you'll work for free. Ask them, how can I help? What would you want from a customer service agent? Is there anywhere that I can help digitally with the business? Speak to some people. Say you're a college student. Say you're a university student doing a project on small business owners and you'd love to see the pain points. If you find out there's a consistency in a few businesses that you've spoken to, maybe you want to change your offer to that. Maybe you want to build a landing page around that. Maybe you want to start posting content about that. When you think differently like that and you're just offering a little easy service, £200 a month, well, you get 5 clients, that's £1,000 in a month. Again, it takes a little bit longer. If you need money fast, you can go do this weekend. So that's why Flip Life is number 1, just to reiterate that point. Now, number 3, we've got short form creation. Now, businesses find it hard to post short form. Now, the reason why that is because a small business that has a team or maybe is wearing many hats, they don't have the time to do short form content. They know that it's good and they know that that's what people are growing off and people are getting millions of views. Like, they're all aware of it, but the thing that's making them money today and paying their rent needs doing today, and they are super short staffed. Now, if you go on your local job websites, you'll see loads of people are hiring for short form creators. Now, that might just be you filming other people at work and editing the video. It might even just be you taking video clips that they've already filmed and editing them yourself. But they are all willing to pay £20,000, £21,000 a month. So what you might want to do is go onto LinkedIn, go onto these job websites, see who's hiring for content creation, search content creation. Again, make a bit of a landing page or message them privately and just offer short form creation services. Now, this doesn't have to be online. It doesn't have to be even called outreach. Go to local gyms in your area, go to local restaurants, go to local barbershops, go to local businesses, go speak to the owner, say, look, if you're a young kid, you want to use that. Because what people will see in you, if you go to a business owner and you're a young kid trying to hustle and make some money, that business owner will want to help you. 9 times out of 10. Some people are just arseholes, right? But look, if you're a kid and you're hustling and you're willing to do hard work and you're offering something, they'll want to help you. You just got to try. You've got to put some grit in. You've got to go and knock on the door. You've got to go in and speak to them. Smile. Do you know what I'm saying? So again, you can offer a business as a short form content package. Now, if you just go and film it on your iPhone and you edit it on CapCut, like if you're a young kid, you can be doing this, £15 a video, £10, $10 a video, $15 a video, get them to do 10 a month, 30 a month. Well, you only need a couple of clients and then you're making $1,000 online pretty fast. And what you'll understand is business owners know other business owners, yeah? So when you start doing services like this and they're seeing it on social media, or you get to be the guy in your local area that's doing this for multiple businesses, you're going to start picking up clients off of each other. So this can be a really good way to make an actual business that's going to get you more than this. But if you go and put some sweat equity in, meaning go and get your hands dirty, you can do this. And look, go do 2 videos for free. Go say, look, what's the worst that can happen? You've got 2 videos for free. This is how I made it. Come up with the idea. Go film it. Edit it sick. Put some B-roll in it. That's how you do it, man. This can be a really good idea. Now, again, this is similar to Flip Life. This is something that everybody can do. And this by far, is the fastest way to make $1,000 online. And that is the SYOS method. Sell your old shit. Look, you have got stuff around your house, you've got stuff in your room, you've got old clothes, Xboxes, whatever. That is worth money. Sell them on eBay, Vinted, Depop, Facebook Marketplace. Sell all your old stuff that you don't use. I mean, if you've got an Xbox and you're playing Xbox, sell it. Why are you playing Xbox? You're watching videos like this on how to make money. If you're playing Xbox every day, then you've got a long way to come. Believe me, sell it. Get the first $1,000 together. Because once you start making that little bit of money and getting that money together, you can only do this a couple times. because you haven't got unlimited things to sell. But believe me, you will have more than you think around your house, or your parents, or your uncle, or your grandma, whatever. Go ask people. Even if it's not your stuff, you can say, well, look, do you want anything selling on eBay? I'll take a percentage. I'll take 30%, 50%, whatever. They might just give it to you to sell. That's what's going to happen if it's family. Start offering that. Get selling stuff. Because what that's going to do is that's going to unlock that little bit of cash. Now, these are stepping stones, right? These two you can scale. This you can scale if you're selling an accessory product to the things that you've been flipping. These are the stepping stones. I don't see anyone online talking about step one. Everyone talks about these new shiny business models. And look, I mean, me personally, I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur. I do Shopify. It's more natural to me. I think it's the best one, to be honest, because you're building an actual business. And look, these are stepping stones into the next business. You can still go do Shopify. You can still go do SMMA. You can still go do a personal brand. But this is the stepping stone to unlock something in your mind and get a little bit of cash together and get the ball moving. So look, go try these. There's no excuse for anyone not to go and make a grand online. It can be done. It can be done faster than you think. And when you unlock that, that's what's going to change the game for you. Best of luck. Let me know how you get on, man. Listen, subscribe to the channel down below. Like this video. Let me know what you thought. And keep me updated. If you go and make a grand online, send me 10%. No, I'm only joking. You don't have to do that. Look, till next time, subscribe to the channel. Let's go.